philosophy. The Heritage Red Model OR33 represents the pinnacle of autonomous agriculture.
Morning, everyone. These are the Heritage Red OR33 sets. Plant them carefully now, just like we practiced. The cart will handle resupply.
The AI flagged Sector 4 on the health map.
It's recommending a nitrogen boost for the R33s.
Automated humidity monitoring for Heritage Red onions. The sophisticated network provides granular data from various microclimates within the farm.
The OR33 model detected a deviation here. We need to deploy targeted treatment immediately. The simulation predicts a 20% yield increase with this rotation.
Adjusting the fallow period now.
Water quality management is key. Our state-of-the-art facility ensures pure irrigation water for
The AI predicts early stress here.
Is that due to the irrigation schedule?
Exactly. We need to adjust the flow rate.
Looks good. The precision feeding strategies are working. Foliar analysis confirms perfect balance on the OR33.
It's a viz. The models predict a localized hailstorm hitting Sector 4 within the hour.
The automated covers are deploying now.
The spectral data confirms early stress on the OR33s in sector gamma.
The AI recommends a localized nitrogen boost.
The OR33 model shows significant deep root growth here.
Yes, the AI suggests increasing the localized potassium feed by 5% in this sector.
A time-lapse shows the diurnal temperature cycle benefiting heritage red onions. Environmental sense.
The phosphorus uptake on the R33s is stabilizing.
Yes, the AI adjustments are working perfectly.
The heritage red onions are operating at peak efficiency. We're seeing maximum fluorescence, so I'm adjusting the nutrient delivery now.
Look at the volume data here. The AI suggests a slight increase in irrigation for these plots to ensure consistency.
Look at this peak. The AI correlates this compound directly with the intense savory aroma.
The OR33 resistance levels are optimal. The biofortification strategy is working perfectly.
These OR33s look perfect, firm, and deep red. Beth?
Confirmed. The sugar content is optimal across the board.
The moisture levels are consistent across the batch.
Confirmed. Ready for crimson spice processing.
Enhance your savory bread with crimson spice onion powder. The ultra-fine crimson powder blends seamlessly, infusing.
Everything turned out perfectly. That crimson spice really makes a difference.
It is delicious, honey.
I use crimson spice because it brings a consistent, intense aroma to my dishes. It delivers a deep, savory flavor profile efficiently.
The intense, concentrated aroma and savory flavor transform simple, healthy ingredients into delicious.
The crimson spice onion powder has such an intense aroma and superior flavor. It's truly my secret ingredient for.
The flavor in this casserole is just wonderful. That crimson spice really brings out the heritage taste.